Vedanthangal National Park, Project 2012-2013, Neeraj Public School by Uritvik 4B. Beautiful Vedanthangal National Park. Welcome to Vedanthangal National Park, the home for migratory birds. Vedanthangal in Tamil means hamlet of hunter. The best time to visit this sanctuary is from November to March. Map and location. The park is located in the Kancheepuram district of Tamil Nadu. It is about 75 kilometers from Chennai on NH45. The state's forest department provides adequate accommodation. Wildlife. Flora of the park includes gum Arabic tree, bamboo and evergreen trees. Fauna, monkeys and other common mammals can be spotted. Climate. The temperature ranges from 15 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. Geography. 72 acres of marshy land with a large lake. Governing body is Ministry of Environment and Forest, Government of India. Tourism. The attraction of the park is safari. It is an excellent place to spend some time watching birds. Timings are from sunrise to sunset. Forest Rest House. The rest house is located just 1 kilometer from the park. Distance from major cities. Delhi 1784 kilometers. Bangalore 29 kilometers. History. It is one of the oldest bird sanctuaries in India. It has a tradition of people actively protecting birds. The British government undertook steps to develop Vedanthangal. In 1972, it was declared a wildlife sanctuary. Birds. Over 75,000 migratory birds reside here when the breeding season starts. The sanctuary has recorded over 115 species of birds. Birds like Egrets, Ibis, Spoonbill, Indian Moorhen, Grebe Pelicans are spotted here. Endangered birds. Here are some of the endangered birds. Each year 10,000 cormorants are shot to be eaten. Egrets are near to extinction in certain areas. Eggs of darters or snake birds are edible and are collected by local as food. has threatened the species. Indian moorhen. It is listed as endangered since 1984. Herons are rapidly declining due to the loss of habitat. Pelicans are exploited for leather and eggs. Ibis. The highest count was 2 noted and lowest was 37 in the park. Protection of birds. Supreme Court and National Board for Wildlife prohibits non-forest activities in the area. Vedanthangal is under control of Ministry of Environment and Forests, Government of India. As a responsible citizens, it is our duty to protect our national wildlife. Save nature, save earth. Thank you.